Hi, baby. How's baby monkey?
Well,
How's baby monkey?
I hit my head again.
No!
Some branch.
Is that when you were yelling? Did you yell?
No, I didn't yell. It just whacked me really hard.
Baby.
Good thing it didn't give me another concussion.
I was worried about you. That's why I came over.
It's all right. It's a little cut.
Oh.
It bled a little.
Oh no, baby. You gotta go rest.
I got to get all the...
Why did you hurt yourself, baby? Why?
Look at all the...
Why'd you do that again?
Look at the size of the trees I cut.
Oh.
And they fell over there and they knocked all the panels out. The panels got knocked out.
What? We broke them?
No. Lucky he didn't break them.
How do you know it didn't break them? Whoa.
Well, I don't. I'm about to hook it up right now.
How come you didn't yell out timber?
There's nobody here.
I was here.
All right.
I wanted to hear you say timber.
You only say that when there's people.
I was at our camp.
Nowhere near.
Yeah, but how did you not know I was going to bring some water? I was going to bring some water. So are we saved, baby? Let me see her out. Oh,
Don't.
that's awful. Jeez,
shit.
babe. You have
It's working.
wood chips all over your face, baby. Look.
Working, but look how low.
Baby, you have wood chips in your eyelashes, on your eyeball.
Mm-hmm. I was cutting down a lot of trees. Well, let's see if it's gonna work. Look how low the battery is. 11.3. Let's see.
Wow.
We can't turn it down.
Another parting gift from the evils.
Yeah,
I still can't do my work because, lo and behold, I can't even get. But that's okay because
way better than that.
I'm thinking about my work. That's fine.
Come on. Oh, there it goes. It's going 12.1, 12.2, 12.7,
Whoa.
12.6.
Blast off.
4.7, see? See that? Oh, where did it collapse?
It went back down again. Oops. Maybe because everything's plugged in over there.
No. The inverter's off.
Okay, baby. Good
We're not
job.
going to be able to do anything
I'm
today.
glad you didn't kill yourself. Let me see that again on the forehead, the new one you just did.
I think it did. Was it an old one that it opened?
No, that's a new one. Oh, baby.
It's a new one.
What are you trying to do to your face?
Well, I got to
What are
make
you
the
trying to do
solar
to your
system
sweet
work.
face?
They ripped the whole entire solar system out.
Uh,
I had the best solar system here.
uh,
I hope it's working. I don't even know if it's working. For a minute.
Okay,
there,
baby, did you drink your water?
Yeah.
No, you just had some of it. Look, it's still empty.
I gotta play
I mean,
with
it's
all this.
still...
There it goes. 12.6.
Yay, baby, we're saved.
Come
Project
on,
back
stay.
on. Jeez, babe, I had an intuition that you got injured. That's really why I came over here. I really did. How long ago did it happen?
About a half an hour.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know why this is.
I should have come by sooner.
This keeps fluctuating. Suddenly it goes up.
Oh, baby, this is where the Friggy is gonna go, huh?
Yeah, if I ever get somebody to help me move it,
That somebody is me.
well, we're gonna have to do it. But one solar system at a time. They tore up everything. I had everything ready.
You had everything perfect.
Perfect.
I have it on camera, too. To
Now
prove.
it's a fucking...
I can prove it.
Yes.
I have all those videos of Cinderland. Thank God I didn't waste my time uploading them all before. Because now I'll just upload them all again. Haha.
It's such a mess, babe. I don't know. It's not fluctuating up.
The old days, and now we're going into the new days, huh, baby?
There it goes. There it goes. But like it wants to do it and then it drops. We're gonna have to leave it alone. It's working.
Okay, baby. I see you there. Look how blue the sky is behind you. Look how blue. That's bluey. That's so blue, it's called bluey. It's a bluey day.
You cheese.
All right, baby. Well, that takes a lot of courage to do what you're doing, even though Pele's literally right there. Now I'm focused on Pele again. Pele's right there. You see that cloud? I can see it from right where I'm sitting on this milk crate. All tidy now, baby, or no?
I think it's working.
Good job, baby.
This spot's
I'm glad you
more
wore your
sun.
bluey shirt on a bluey day.
But we can't use the power until tonight. We can't leave the internet on anymore. We're not gonna be here.
Yep.
Not until I get a backup.
It's not like the olden days when you had so much power.
Oh, well, everything was filled with solar panels. This had solar panels.
I remember we had it on
This
film.
had solar panels, and this had solar panels. Everything had solar panels.
And then I had my computer on all the time.
Yeah. We had backups, and we had these charge controllers that didn't let the
Yeah.
batteries.
I have all those on cam from before. All that. All that.
Yeah, that they fucked us up too.
Well, they didn't stop us. Look at us. Here we are. Continuing on.
Could have been incredible.
Ah, baby. One baby step at a time. One painful baby step in a row.
They just tore everything up.
People have no clue, baby.
A system that took me 18 years to build, they destroyed in
A day.
a few hours.
Well, baby, we can use that wood you just chopped down for firewood.
I didn't have to shut the power off anymore, anywhere. I had power for all the camps,
Yeah,
24/7.
I remember.
Nobody had to go without power, even in the wintertime.
I remember.
And now it's so bad that I don't even know where.
And it's hot out today, too.
Yeah, and I don't know if I fucked up the panels or not.
What?
I don't know.
I'm just glad you're still alive, baby. Look what you did to your forehead again. What are you trying to do to your pretty face that I love, babe?
Doesn't seem to be charging. Sometimes it does, sometimes it
All right,
doesn't.
aloha. This is June 20th, 2018. What day is it, baby?
I don't know, babe. I lost track.
We lost track. Okay, that's all right.